Hello. Well, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So, on my Q&A questions, I have another question. This is from the Fire Slove. I love your painted wall. Did you do that? The answer is yes. I painted my walls. I am trying to teach myself how to be an artist. So I have a book that I'm following, and I practice constantly. First I practice on some canvas. I'm going to show you a couple of those today. And then I started with the wall. I'm trying to get to the point where I perfect murals on the wall. Okay? And this is just another thing that I have that's on my bucket list that I enjoy doing, and I always wanted to do. So I am learning as I go. Okay, so I wanted to just show you around the kitchen and let you see some of my art. Okay, and I think you'll enjoy it. Okay, all right, so let me adjust the camera and we're going to get started. Okay, so here's my backsplash. I wanted a backsplash, and when I checked the price of the material, it was very, very expensive. So I said, oh, okay, so I can't do that. So what I did do is at Home Depot, they have what's called Oops Paint. Oops Paint is paint that people go into the store and they select a color and they mix it up, and then they look at it and they say, oh, I don't like that. And so Home Depot marks it down, and that's what they call Oops Paint. Okay, so this size here, let me see if I can see the dimensions here. Oh, I'm not seeing that yet. Okay, here we go. This is 7.75 fluid ounces. So this is the size, okay, that they're calling 7.75 fluid ounces. And I want to show you the price on them. You're not going to believe it. If I have one that's not, here we go, here's one. So you see, wait a minute. You see that says 50 cents? So each one of these costs 50 cents. And this size here is $2. See that? And this is, I believe, a pint of 29 fluid ounces. Okay? And it's beer paint. Beer paint is a good paint. So I tried to get all the beer paint that I could get, because it has a primer and it's a stain blocker and primer inside of it. So all the paint that you see here cost me $9.50. Okay, so just wrap your head around that a minute. I painted the whole kitchen for $9.50. So each one of these colors represents one of these cans here. How about that? You like that? Okay, so that's the backsplash. Now let me show you the wall here, straight ahead. So this is the top part of the wall. Okay, so I did all of these designs. And then this painting in the middle here is a painting that I drew. That's me. Okay, and then at the bottom I did another color variation. You see? Okay, now on the side here, this brown color, that's another can of paint. And then I carried it over here. And then behind the stove is another painting that I did. It's wine bottles and glasses, and the wall is yellow. I painted. Then over here where the knives are is another color that I painted. And this knife rack I got from IKEA, and that was $15 for the knife rack. So you might want to look into that. That's a pretty good buy, right? Okay, so now I'm going to show you one more wall. I just need to move over there. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's a mirror. The blue part is, I tried to make a sky up there. And then this is another supposedly picture of me. This is when I really thought that I was mastering things. I don't know. The verdict is still out. And then if you go down to the bottom of the wall, as you can see, the green part is grass. The red part is like a walk area. So that's some of what I do in my spare time. How about that, huh? Okay, now I'm going to show you some pictures that I drew. Here's a snowman that I drew. And this is the very first picture that I ever did, is this scenery picture here. So you can see I'm a little busy, right? Okay, so let me conclude. Okay, so in conclusion, now you know a little bit more about Grandma Ray, and I will continuously try to show myself to you and what I'm all about. And I hope that you enjoyed that. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching the pictures and the painting. And if you want to paint your house, you know, beer paint is very expensive. It almost costs $40 for a gallon. And if you can buy the paint at a discounted rate, the gallons cost $9.95 of the Oops paint. So if you can cut your costs, what you got to do is you got to keep going until you find a color that you like. And once you find that color, then you've got a gallon for $9.95. So let's say you need 2 gallons. All right, fine. 1 second. Okay, thanks for hanging around. Hit the like button if you like it. Share the video and subscribe, will ya? Alright, talk to you soon. And I'll do another Q&A. This was fun. Thanks. Bye.